Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Techno Elite. In this video we will see the salary structure of Capgemini for fresher as a software engineer, and at last we will see the salary slip details of what are the earning part and what are the deduction part, and what will be the enhanced salary for the fresher in Capgemini as a software engineer. And here the CTC is about 3.8 LPA, so we will see the salary structure, and we will also see the training details. At the training time what will be the enhanced salary, and after training what will be the enhanced salary of the fresher candidate. So let's get started in the video. So here as you can see, the CTC of the company is 3.8 LPA. So the salary structure of this 3.8 LPA will be the sum part, and here we can see the training details. So the training duration is about 2.5 months to 3 months, and at the training time the CTC will be 3 LPA, and after training the CTC will be 3.8 LPA. So at the time of training the enhanced salary of the candidate will be around to 21,000. And after training you will get about to enhanced salary 28,000 rupees per month in your bank. So this is the basic structure of the enhanced salary, and let's get started with the payslip and see what is the payslip for this candidate as a software engineer in the Capgemini. So here as you can see, this is the payslip for the program analyst trainee in the Capgemini. So you can see that here I have hidden all the part of the details of candidate for this payslip. So as you can see, the designation is program analyst and the gender is male. Here the details of all the salary slip are given, and as you can see here the location, PAN number and bank account number, all the details are given. So in this you can see the calendar day, the available for his work is 30 days, and he have worked 30 days, so he will get for this amount for 30 days only. So here you can see the 30 days earnings. So here is the earning part, and at last you can see this is the deduction part. So in this the basic salary is 10,500 rupees, and the house rent allowance is 6,300 rupees, and here the conveyance allowance is 800 rupees, and medical allowance is 1,250 rupees. Special allowance is 7,349 rupees, and here advance statutory bonus is about to 2,000 rupees. So if you add all this amount you can get about to 28,199 rupees. So this is the amount you earn for the 30 days, and here is the deduction part. So in the deduction part you can see the professional tax deducted as 200 rupees from your salary, and here the PF is deducted for 1,800 rupees in this month. So as you calculate, this will be 2,000 rupees total addition of this deduction part. So for net amount you have to subtract from this total earning minus total deduction. So you can find that 26,199 rupees. So that is the enhanced salary for this one. 26,199 rupees you will get in your bank account. So that's all guys. If you have any question then please ask in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. So that's all guys. Bye bye.